Screen mirroring, how to set up Miracast for your device. Have you ever wanted to share your smartphone screen on a bigger display? Screen mirroring is a fantastic way to do just that. Today, we will focus on setting up Miracast, a wireless technology that allows your cell phone screen to be mirrored on a compatible television or monitor without using any cables. Let's get started with the steps you need to follow. First, you need to check if your devices are compatible. Most Android devices running version 4.2 or later have Miracast built in. Many modern smart televisions support Miracast natively. If your television does not support it, you can use a Miracast dongle. This small device plugs into your television's high-definition multimedia interface port to add compatibility. Next, ensure that both your smartphone and television are connected to the same network, if required. Some Miracast setups need both devices to be on the same Wi-Fi network, especially when using apps that help with the connection. Now, let's enable Miracast on your television or monitor. If your television supports Miracast, go into its settings and enable the wireless display or screen mirroring option. If you are using a Miracast dongle, connect it to an HDMI port on the television, power it using a universal serial bus connection, and switch the television input to the dongle's HDMI source. Moving on, you will want to activate screen mirroring on your smartphone. On your Android phone, go to the Settings menu, then navigate to the Connections or Display section. Look for options like Cast, Screen Mirroring, Wireless Display, or device-specific names such as Samsung's Smart View or Huawei's Multi-Screen. Turn on the feature. Once that is done, your phone will scan 4 available devices. Select your television or the Miracast dongle from the list that appears. Finally, complete the connection. Some devices may prompt you for a personal identification number or confirmation to pair. Once you accept, your phone screen will be mirrored to the television. This allows you to display videos, photos, apps, or presentations on a larger screen. Using Miracast makes sharing content easy and convenient. It is perfect for presentations, media streaming, or gaming on a bigger display. Keep in mind that performance can vary based on the wireless environment. Interference or weak signals can cause lag or disconnections. If your phone or television does not have built-in Miracast support, using a dongle is a simple way to enable this feature. Some manufacturers might use different names or slightly different interfaces for Miracast, but the core function remains the same. For Google Pixel phones, Miracast support may require custom, read-only memory or patches since official support is limited. By following these steps, you can easily mirror your smartphone screen to a television or monitor using Miracast, enhancing your device's functionality with larger display capabilities.